This Scania, with a Guangdong driver for 10 years, has only driven 3 million kilometers, yet it's in such a terrible state, damaged everywhere, covered in grime. This truck has been with my old friend for so many years, he's always been reluctant to replace it. To him, this isn't just a vehicle anymore, it's more like a family member. So this old buddy can keep going, we're giving this Scania a complete renovation. Let's watch the restoration process together. First, the main chassis is being aligned. Then clean off glue and wax the cockpit. Now spray paint the exterior.
Start cleaning the entire circuit.
Next, clean the entire car's wheel hubs.
Clean the engine last.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.
Next time the engine will be installed. See you next time.